This song features two main chord patterns. They are the same, just in different keys. We start in the first key on a C major, C, E, G. That'll be for two measures. G major, G, B, D for two measures. D minor, D, F, A for two measures. And then end on an F major, F, A, C for two measures. In one hand, that pattern could look like this, starting on C major, C, E, G, 2, 3, 4. G, D minor, F. In two hands, that pattern could look like this, 2, 3, start on C major, G, D, From the bridge of the song to the end, there is a key change. All those chords go up one step. We start on D major, D, F sharp, A. Then we go to A major, A, C sharp, E. E minor, E, G, B. And then to G major, G, B, D. In one hand, that pattern could look and sound like this. 2, 3, 4. A major, E minor, G major. Repeat. In two hands, that pattern could look and sound like this, starting on D major. 1, 2, 1, 2.